Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Focus, meditate. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. October 25, 2019. Focus, meditate are words that reflected so many meanings and are defined in ways they are always connected to the Divine Mind. The consolidated book in the Roman chain words of I am that I am of Emperor Constantine, thence Pope Constantine at the Nicene Council, 325 AD, made Judeo-Christian beliefs control/converted thousand through religions. Earlier is 48 AD, Council of Jerusalem/Apostle on circumcision. Humans' forte of creating many organizations control others while they pass their individual trials, performing the function of negatives or dark beings, part of the expansion of consciousness of humanity as they evolve. Beliefs are unimaginable until now, when higher frequency beings, HFB, assist us with messages and high-frequency energies to come out with proper reflections of these words, a fast attempt of preparation for awareness and awakening. Back to I am, is focus. The latter explains the real meaning that avoided mysterious interpretation to Christ's time. Meditation, meditate is a reflection of words of I am, but is more explicit and will connect anyone with the mind of your heart, mind, thence to source energy being within you. HFB sends messages and intense energies to humanity to diffuse false beliefs. A Serbian psychic delivered from a home of my daughter in Chicago that Philippines is spared from the harshness of the effects of darkness as meditation prayers and inner joy may have done it. The Ninth Council, Arcturians, and Ascended Masters, tell us that it is the opposite of the work ethic we are asked to perform and believed in. Within meditation you accomplish more by doing less as you harmonize with that peaceful and expansive state that higher frequency beings are in, yet still strive for more. Join a peaceful expansive state of finding a perfect timeline, love that experience and focal point. When you are at peace within, you accomplish fast anything that you planned, and more of abundance are generated in the process in our dense world. Remember, we agreed to enter density. We receive messages related to the following basic parameters and guidelines. Everything starts with peace and quiet. Start with peace and love at home and family. Open up awareness to knowing ideas, thoughts and beliefs, and those that are self-defeating are eliminated through the inhale, breathing, exhale routine. Prepare to accept new ideas, thoughts and beliefs that will open up new horizons as you receive and relax while high-frequency energies flow from the central sun. Higher education at 3D. Humans who have methodologies of HDF make success happens. Look at how transnational and multinational corporations are run, using the same tenets, and are now partly running our world business-wise. Set an objective, analyze and come out with primary solutions and secondary ones that solve problems. Execute, act fast, and you will never be left out. The difference, of course, is profitability. Book Knowing the Infinite Creator, 2013 by author A. Ornedo explains the topic. Success will follow you with abundance, merging physical and non-physical acts. Focus and meditation link and connect duality of mind, body, and source energy being. To emphasize, you are mind, body, and source energy being, or a fragment of source or two bodies, physical and ethereal. Meditate, focus, and make this the focal point of our daily lives. Several thousand years the gurus of ancient India practiced it, taught meditation to the curious Western, to a point where our inventors go and learn, acquire inner peace, love and quiet that made them better citizens of the world. Asians like Filipinos and Malays did it. Find yourself source energy being within, focus, meditate, as you will never be lost in this earthly trials and negativity, as you are always one with the divine, as the surety of light overcomes darkness. Love and Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., October 25, 2019. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, share teachings at universities, boards and associations. Link at aornedoja@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Sleebreeze and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.